What's up, guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading coming at you with today's market trading recap. You can see here it's a little after 3:30 p.m. The market closed about 30 minutes ago, and boy, did we have yet another beautiful sell-off in the market today. Okay, I keep telling all you guys out there, man, we are in a historic trading environment where the trend kind of seems like they're taking place almost on a daily basis. So if you're an active day trader or you're interested in actively trading, man, there's no time like the present, man. If you've been sitting on the sidelines this entire year, I mean, look, half the year is over, right? We're basically coming up on the end of June. We're heading into the third quarter of the year. Where have you guys been, right? How's your trading going? I feel like the halfway point is always an excellent time of the year to analyze your trading performance. I mean, if you're a trend trader, man, your year is going fantastic, right? Now look, before I show you how powerful today's trend was, guys, I want to give you some words of motivation, maybe even some words of encouragement, all right? A lot of you guys have spent your entire year screwing around with what I call these garbage charts. These are your everyday candlestick charts, or maybe your Bollinger Band free indicators, your stochastics, your RSI, all sorts of nonsense. And folks, what I want to make clear to you is that there's a difference between being a retail, what I call amateur trader, right, versus being a professional trader, okay? And that main difference, in my opinion, is software that can capture volume, okay? What do you think caused this entire huge, magnificent sell-off today? It was volume, right? It was the big guys, the hedge funds, the large traders, the institutions coming in and all selling the market at the exact same time. That's what causes this indicator to change colors from green into red, right? This color band, which I'll get into in a few seconds, this is our proprietary volume detector that simply changes colors whenever it detects a trend change. And the one thing I want to hammer home for you guys is you'll never be able to, okay, in my opinion, you'll never be able to spot a trend change on your candlestick garbage. I mean, I had a guy contact me today asking, hey, Mark, is this available on Thinkorswim? Is this available on TradingView? And the answer is no. It's not available on any of the free platforms, because when it comes to free stuff, you get what you pay for, right? There's an old saying, guys, if you are cheap, it becomes expensive. How many of you guys have blown out accounts this year, right? Just take stock of yourself. Be honest with yourself. Don't lie to yourself. How many of you guys have blown out real money, okay, real money accounts repeatedly this year? Because you just could not figure out the trend. Well, I would propose to you, isn't that a good starting point, right? Isn't the ability of having access to the starting point of a trend valuable, right? Because I don't care about the middle of the trend, and I don't care about the end of the trend. I want to know the starting point of the trend. Okay? Listen, folks, that's what makes trend detection software so valuable, in my opinion, because of the ability to capture potential moves like this. Now, again, folks, when the color changes, right, you don't know for sure in advance if this thing's going to drop 600 ticks like it did today. Today was epic. Today was a dream. Today was paradise, right? But you don't know in advance. All you can do is pay attention when the color does change in either direction, from red to green, or in this case, as it printed today, from green into red. You understand what I'm saying? Now, this is a chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark, as many of you guys know. I know a lot of you guys are actively trading this, both on the Forex and futures, and even a SPY version. Don't worry, I got the NAS queued up for you. You knew I was going to show you the NASDAQ today. It was, I mean, folks, this was 2,000 ticks from the starting point of the trend. All right, and this happened, look at the x-axis. This happened at exactly 9 o'clock in the morning. Where are you at 9 o'clock in the morning? You better be at your computer, man. Okay. Leads me to my final point, folks. You've heard me say what I'm about to say 100,000 times, and that is a majority of the trading and the price action happens in the morning session. People ask me all the time, hey Mark, how do you define the morning session? Well, I flip it back to them. I say, look, it's lunchtime. The morning session ends at lunch. Okay, so let me go ahead and timestamp that for you. All right, there's lunchtime right there. Why on earth would anybody be trading after lunch? There's nothing to be had after lunch. But if we look at the morning session, look at that power. Look at all the volume. Look at the market participants creating beautiful trends for us. By the way, again, you're never going to be able to spot that on your garbage candlestick charts. All right? But look at how a volume-based indicator actually prints on the screen. Folks, this is like a Pablo Picasso, man. This is a work of art. And I'm not joking around or being funny when I say that. I mean it. I'm serious. This thing's absolutely beautiful. But what's more important is you guys recognize, that, look, the majority of the moves, I think in any market, Forex, futures, stocks, options, they all happen in the morning session. You don't get jack in the afternoon session. And how many times have you guys heard me say that, right? 1 million times? 10 million times, right? I say it repeatedly. I say it all the time. There is no business you guys have by trading after lunch. The majority of the moves, again, in my opinion, happen in the morning session. So the last thing I'm going to say, folks, is look, however your trading has gone so far in the first half of the year, okay, there's always room for improvement. Whether you've blown out repeated accounts or whether you're one of those what they call break-even traders where you make a bunch of money one day and you give it all back the next day, there's no consistency. I challenge you to get involved with our volume-based indicator profile. This is simply called the vol indicator. You ain't gonna find this anywhere on the planet except with us. We'll teach you how to redisplay this garbage candlestick chart that you're probably using into this professional chart. We'll show you how to use it, and most importantly, we'll show you how to set up your charts, your trading workstation, to look exactly like this so that you can potentially skyrocket your technical analysis skills when it comes to speculating in the market. Because, ladies and gentlemen, the best indicator is a trend indicator. That's it. Period. End of discussion. End of story. Congrats to all you guys who had a fantastic first half of the year. I'm so glad you guys crushed it with this volume indicator, and I'm looking to have a spectacular second half of the year. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.